Okay, here we are, sunbathing to one side for a second, with another set from Hornby, the Anglian, with an absolutely gorgeous B12 loco there, in British Rail livery as well. I think you can get one at the moment called the Eastern Valleys Express or something, which is a green B12 with L and ER on the tender, but this is an earlier set, as you can tell by the packaging, and this one's called the Anglian. So let's see what's supposed to be in the box. There we go, one B12 loco, two clerestory coaches, if that's how you pronounce them, and then the usual controller, track, the track pack thing, and everything else. So let's get her open and have a look at her. Seriously, this is one of my favourite steam locos there is, and I think you'll agree with me once you see her. Ooh, very heavy. And there she is. Oh wow. She is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, she's just so smart. She's got such clean lines going down the top and the bottom, and I don't know if you can see, but the cylinders to drive the wheels are internal. That's an actual fact. That's not just this model from Hornby. They really are inside on the real thing. There is some detail there inside the cab, but it's not what we're used to. However, this set is older. This is the early 2000s, I think, before they started to do lots and lots of detail inside. And the buffers do look like they're spring-loaded, but they're not, which is a shame. But it's still really nice. Absolutely beautiful loco. Bit of a silly connection method there to the tender. I don't really like that, but there is something rather special about the tender. So let's just get it and have a look. What happens when this wheel here rotates? Don't know if you can hear that, but if you can see, there's just this little metal plate that's been attached to the axle, and as it turns, it scrapes against what's basically like a piece of sandpaper attached to a metal rod on the underside there. And it's supposed to simulate the sound of the steam train. Now don't laugh, it's actually quite effective. As you can tell, I've already opened this and tested it, and it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So let's just put that to one side. And then we've got these beautiful coaches. Absolutely beautiful. Really exquisitely detailed. The only problem I have with them is they're a bit light. I mean, seriously, if this was like the moon or Mars or something, that would just float away. There's no weight to them at all. So it might be an idea to take the top off and put some lead in. But the detailing is beautiful. They're really, really nice. Really nice coaches. So that's the brake coach. And this is the composite coach, which is just as nice, with loads more windows. And then we've got the usual stuff, such as two little guys for the steam train, the footplate, buffer. Oh, great. More third radius curves. I've just shifted loads of these, and I'm getting more and more. See, I don't really need them. What have we got here? That's the power section of track. We've got another straight, another point, and then the old style analog controller with the adapter. So let's put her on the track and see what she's like. Okay, you'll have to excuse the shadows. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. Really, really sunny. So here we are with the B12 steam loco from the Anglian. Look at her, absolutely beautiful. So let's put her on the track. I'm sure I just saw the wheels spin then. Do you hear that? Okay, would help if I put it on the right way. So it's got a little hole in the back there that we just hook on. And then we'll put its coach on as well. This particular loco has already been run in, so we don't need to worry about running her in. This is just to see what she's like. So there we go. Let's give her some juice. And she's off. Oh yeah, she's running beautifully. Well, that sounds actually quite effective. I really do like it. I mean, obviously it's not as realistic as the latest DCC sound locos from Hornby and Batman, but it's a very, very economical solution. And if we increase the speed, it's just brilliant. And it's such a gorgeous, gorgeous loco. Excellent. I recommend her. I really do. If you can get her, definitely buy her.